Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to discuss if MatchTrader or cTrader is better. So this video is going to just compare the features of the two. I'm going to tell you the features that both MatchTrader and cTrader have, and in the end it's your choice which one you want to choose, since of course it also depends on the features you're looking for. It also depends on how you want to use the trader. So first of all, this is MatchTrader and this is cTrader, as you can see right here. You can get cTrader from here. You can try a demo for MatchTrader as well, and I'm going to tell you the features for Trader, MatchTrader and cTrader. So both the traders, as you can see right here, these are the traders. Now for example, MatchTrader has a perfect balance user interface, but cTrader has a professional interface, which means that the algorithm for cTrader provides extensive automation support. Meanwhile, for MatchTrader, the automation, it supports algorithmic and automated strategies. Now, the risk management features. For MatchTrader, it has sophisticated risk management features. Meanwhile, for cTrader, you've got good risk management features. Now, as you can see right here, if you want sophisticated, detailed, properly extensively detailed risk management features, you can go for MatchTrader. On the other hand, if you want extensive automation support, if you want proper detailed automation support, you can go for cTrader. So as you can see right here, it depends on feature, and it depends on what you're looking for in both the apps, and you can decide which one is better for you. So you'll also have to use your intuition, and you'll also have to use what you're looking for in order to decide which one is better, since both the traders are better in their features in one way and another. As you can see, this one is MatchTrader. It's got ease of use with rich functionality. So if you want something that's more easier to use, you can go with MatchTrader instead of cTrader. Since if you're a beginner, you can use that as well, and it is also good for seasoned traders. However, if you are a proper seasoned trader and you think you don't need those beginner touches, you can go for cTrader, since it has a proper professional interface and it also has feature-rich inventions. And as you can see, it can be a bit overwhelming to inexperienced traders. So that basically means is if you're a beginner, you can use MatchTrader. However, if you're a seasoned professional, if you've been doing this stuff for a while, you can go for cTrader. So you can see all of these have their own features which make them better. So you can see these features, and of course you can visit their websites as well, and you can decide which one is better for you yourself, as both of these have features. Of course, some can be for beginners, some can be for professionals, and in the end it will be up to your intuition and gut which one you want to choose. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.